Hi, I'm Lova. I'm a social host here in Sri Lanka and I'm from Sweden.
Hi guys, I'm Chai and I'm also a social host from Scotland, and we're here to show you the new camp today, which is right behind us. Okay, so this is our main entrance over here, and just to the right is our tuk-tuk stations where tuk-tuks arrive for surf lessons. And just over here, Lava is explaining how our tuk-tuk station works. A tuk-tuk arrives, Lava puts the board on top, and away we go to our surf lessons. Obviously strap the board in. Follow us on these concrete paths designed for us to walk safely along the rocks to one of our board shack.
Behind me we have one of the board racks. This is used also as a drying rack where we keep the boards safe and clean, protected from the sun so that they're nice for the surfing in the morning.
So this is the inside of the camp. Over there on the right we have the surf shop.
So this is going to be our surf shop. Since the camp is brand new right now, we don't have anything in here at the moment, but it's going to be sink, maybe boards, some stuff to buy if you're here for a couple of weeks. Super nice.
Over here we have our kitchen area where breakfast, dinner and lunch get served, and this is some of our lovely local staff who make the food and clean the place. Here we have the sofa area where you guys can chill after surf, play card games, or play the guitar like Damien, one of our guests, is doing so beautifully.
And for movie nights and surf theory, we have our lovely little couch area over here where you can just watch Netflix and chill on a rainy day like this.
And here we have the dining area where we have our breakfast, lunch, dinners, and over there, where you're gonna follow me, is the bar. This is our bar. We've got a fridge over here with alcohol, wine, whatever you need. And most importantly, a coconut. And here's my coconut. Woo! Thank you, Dilku. Perfect.
So this is our lovely pool area where we chill after a long day of surfing. We practice duck diving. We have all our pool parties where we play beer pong, and it's where we hang out all the time. Super nice.
This thing is amazing. Oh!
And here we have our lovely new skate wave where we can practice the surf skate so you can improve your turnings and just your surfing in general. Super nice, but don't skate when it's wet.
Please.
Please. Now we're going upstairs to our new top floor. This was just a roof before, so this is all brand new.
And as I said before, there's 10 rooms upstairs that are all private, and downstairs we have all dorm rooms. The 10 rooms upstairs can host up to 27 guests, and downstairs I think it's also 27.
And it is still under improvement, this top floor, but we're gonna get a co-working space, we're gonna have a yoga shala over here. But what we do have ready is our net over here that I'm gonna show you right now. Our area just to chill. We have plugs so you can charge your phone, your computer.
Just a giant hammock.
Yeah.
So, and as Lava is demonstrating, that's perfect. And the plugs are just located just above Lava over there.
So nice.
And this is our ping pong table, and this is how not to play ping pong. Woo! So this is one of our private rooms, and this has got a twin bed so we can have 2 people.
And this room is perfect if you are friends traveling together, if you're a couple, or if you're just a solo traveler who just needs some private space.
Over here we have a drying rack for when your clothes are wet from the pool and after surf. We also got air conditioning up there, hidden.
Our favorite part about this room is of course our lovely balcony where we have overlooking the pool, the train station and the jungle.
Here we have one of our dorm rooms. We have 4 beds over here, perfect for solo traveler or just friends traveling together and needing some privacy.
That was it for the house tour, guys. We're so happy to have moved into our new villa.
And we hope to see you here soon, especially New Year's. Woo!